Hey guys, again, so real quick, I forgot to mention earlier, I'm going to be working on this really cool Phoenix Suns sign. It was a custom order that somebody had asked for, and I can't wait to get started on it. I just made this template in the size that I wanted it to be. So first, I'm going to have to obviously cut out the shape, the outer shape, and then I'm gonna cut this and the ball and the sun out of this template and make a separate template for that so that I can have these actually raised up off of it. It's gonna be really cool when I'm done. I'll show you guys the process for that a little bit later once I get this little munchkin taken care of and down for nap. And then I'll see you then. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and trace this out with my black marker, and then I will start cutting that part out. Alright, it's good to go. Okay, so I actually have most of the pieces cut out for my Phoenix Suns wall art template that I'm making. I have all these little guys that are going to be cut out with the scroll saw. Lots of pieces for like the basketball. All the extra pieces that I'm going to be adding on is the wood elements. And then they're all going to be painted and put together, and I'll show you the video when I'm cutting it out, and then I will show you the result when it is finished. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I got all my templates marked out. Let's get cutting. I'll show you what they look like real quick before I get started. Alright, so fire, ball, pieces for the ball, backing for that. We're gonna cut out the big backing right here. Scroll saw. We're all good. Let's get cutting. Okay. So we just cut out all the pieces for the Phoenix Suns sign. I'm really excited about this, you guys, because this was a custom order and I got to kind of play around with it a little bit, make it really cool, which is why I have all these pieces. It's like layered. It's gonna pop off the background, so that's really, I think it'll look really cool. This whole thing will be black, and then all the pieces right here that are gonna go on top of it, they're gonna make up the basketball, so you'll kind of be looking into it, and then all of the pieces that are like down in, this will be black and these will be orange sitting on top of it. I think that's pretty cool. There's a lot of little pieces, obviously you saw cutting out to go with that, and then they'll all sit on top of this sun, and then on the big background, and we'll see it when we get to that stage. It's gonna be really cool. Thanks for watching.